Hi everyone, it's Kendall here. If you're new around here, welcome. If you're not new around here, what is up? Home skillet biscuit. So I made some decisions. There's a few things that happened. One, I was feeling like looking like garbage, i.e. hello today. The only reason I have a wig on is because I had it on 3 days ago and it's just not off yet. I got hit with all the period. Literally for the last 3 days, I've been conscious maybe accumulatively 4 hours. And I wanted to make myself feel better, so I was doing nothing but eating Snickers. And I went shopping. I'm a girly stereotype. Let's do an old-fashioned haul. KBeauty edition. But I don't feel too bad about it because we got a sponsor, reaffirming my horrible spending habits ever since I started getting sponsorships. Today's sponsor is a long supporter of the channel. Shout out to ShopTagger. ShopTagger is an app and a Google plugin that allows you to pinpoint certain things that you want to watch out for when they go on sale. They could be clothes, makeup. I know I used it when Pat McGrath had a sale, and also Pat McGrath is having a sale, and I'm trying to be good, but my god. You can use it for home goods. They have like 80 billion stores on there, so check it out, see what you like on there, and then you can basically organize it into different lists of what you want it for, what it is, clothing, makeup, home goods, and then you can stock them out for when they go on sale. You can decide how much of a sale you want from them, if you want it 25%, 50%, or if it's just back in stock. I like to use it particularly for that when things go out of stock, because you want to be that first one, right? And I don't check that little like email me when it's back in stock. I don't check those. I don't. So it's good to have like an app that like flashes on my watch and is like, oh, so and so's back in stock. I'm like, yeah. Like I needed to do this again, but I'm gonna do it again. So anyway. So shout outs to ShopTagger for sponsoring today's video and today's bad spending decisions. If you want to check them out, be sure to check them out down in the description box. I should have a link there. And here you go. On to what I didn't need to buy, but I bought it anyway because I was hormonal. So my last video was looking at 3CE's new neon line, quote unquote. And in that video, I kind of asked you guys what you guys wanted to see from KBeauty. Since I'm here, it's so easy to get it. And a lot of people wanted to hear about Holika's new like tan collection. How did I not know this was a thing? I feel like of all people I would know this is a thing, but I had no idea. So I moseyed my way over to Hyundai, that like cute little 45-minute train ride, and I got the collection. From what I understand, they have two shades that are supposed to be darker, which I appreciate, not because of me, but because there are darker Koreans. So I'm like, oh, okay, that's cool. Now tan Koreans can have colors for them. That makes sense. Now with that said, I didn't particularly assume it would fit me, especially considering I have a nice little tan right now. I love it. Otherwise, I kind of look a little gray. I feel like I have like a green undertone when I don't have a tan. So there is a cushion, a bottled foundation, and a concealer. This is called the Terracotta Collection. Spoiler alert, these weren't dark enough for me, but again, I wasn't particularly shocked or surprised, nor do I feel like it necessarily has to go as deep as me, but I know a lot of people wanted me to try it out to see how deep it goes. Actually no, I don't want to swatch it because I do want to make a whole video on it. But here's the foundation, and this is the darkest color, number 7. I presume this is the same foundation from the Jella collection, I don't know. But now they're calling it Deep Amber, so that's that foundation. They also came out with a cushion, which is cool. This is also in Deep Amber, number 7. Isn't it tweaky? That's what that looks like on the inside. Again, I'll be able to do touch-ups with it, because like the inner part of my face is lighter than the rest of my face, but as far as using it all over. But for those of you that have a tan and like KBeauty, shout outs to my Southeast Asians, as long as you're not as dark as me or darker. There is a concealer. There's a liquid concealer, the hardcover concealer, also in number 7. They have number 6 and number 7. That's the 2 deeper colors, so number 6 is lighter than this. And then this. I just bought it because it was next to the other stuff, but this is a makeup fixing mist. Did I need this? No. I'm pretty committed to my Spore Glow Fix Mist, but I figured it looked cute. So there's nothing about this that's particularly for tans. It's literally just a It smells good though. But there's nothing about it that's particularly tan, so it's just like, yeah, it's for our tan collection for some reason. I don't know. Oh, I forgot I got this. Oh. This thing. Why are people buying this? Why did I buy this? This is their friggin' lip plumper that everyone's saying hurts so damn bad. But people want it because it hurts so damn bad. I saw a few people do a video on this and I'm kind of scared. It's called the Devil Plumper. No, I ain't with that, Christian. I bought this and then I got like as a free gift. I'm noticing maybe that's why all my clothes are neon that I get from YesStyle now. Everybody walking around and there's so much neon stuff. And then you get these cute little like holographic neon stuff. I'm with this trend. I wasn't with the flower shirt trends. Everybody looks stupid. But I'm with this neon trend. With the clothes, I'm with it. Okay. Speaking of neon, I ended up, while I was in Hongdae, because this is what kind of happened. I went to Hongdae to get the stuff for the terracotta collection. But while I was there, I saw other things. And so I bought other things. Stone Brick. Stone Brick is a company that I had never heard of until this day. I think they're newer. Their store is just eye-catching. I actually walked by it and I was like, I don't need to buy anymore. I don't need to buy anymore. I had ended up walking maybe half a mile away and then turned back around to go get it. I was like, the whole building looks like a giant Lego / Pantone store. And it's so aesthetically pleasing. And beyond that, they make makeup that is so out of the box for KBeauty. Green lipsticks. That's out of the box for a lot of companies, let alone KBeauty. They're just with it. They're doing it. I love it. It looks like they're doing it. The aesthetic wise, they're doing it. They're killing it. With that said, I don't really know much about the products. So I tried one of the tints, but I wasn't really paying attention to how it was wearing, so I can't really say if I liked it or not. One cool thing about the company is that their whole thing is that you can magnetize all of their products. So this is like one of their eyeshadows, right? And all of their products are magnetized. So I can magnetize them to each other if I want. But look, see, I got a mint green. When you ever see a mint green from a KBeauty product, never. I don't know how good of a shadow it is though, I haven't tried it yet. I just saw it and I was like, that's reason enough to get it. But yeah, they come in little singles like that. And what you can do is also buy their palettes. You can also buy their palettes, which is just another magnet that you can click this onto so that they're not clicked vertically so you can see all the colors. Boom. Why can't I keep anything in my hands? So yeah, this is 3 of their eyeshadows. Boop, boop. Speaking of neon, they have like a neon lip tint collection. And I was like, this actually looks neon. These are the neon tint sticks. And they also come magnetized if you want to go through the trouble. Yeah, these are actually super neon. I want to swatch these for you, but my God, I swatched these maybe 3 days ago and I can still see it on my skin. I'm like, how do you get it off? You can probably even see it on the doe foot. They glow in the dark. They are still a tint, so they're still kind of transparent, but they do like, they're neon. I need a day to commit and I'll show you guys, but today is not that day. I barely got out of bed, y'all. Honestly, I'm on episode 24 of Sky K, or Psyche K.
I bet you've fallen in love. That's okay. Even though we're on separate social levels, it's a natural response to my beauty. How else are you supposed to react to perfection? That's it!
So I got 4 of the lip tints. One lipstick that I got on accident. I was trying to get a brown one and I made a mistake and got this red one in vintage red. So this is more of just like a standard. I mean, it's a pretty color though, but I would never purchase this on purpose. Speaking of lip tints not coming off, I also got their lip tint cleanser. Dare I say this is a necessity? I use some of my strongest lip removers and it won't come off. That's all cute and whatnot sometimes. I think it's still a little bit on my upper lip. I still can't get it off. But this is like the closest thing to get it mostly off. And then they gave me a liquid eyeliner because I guess I bought too much. The Easy Wink drawing eyeliner. It's just like a liquid pen liner. Next we have a spa, because I only have 2 things, well 3 things because one was a gift. Another holographic bag. Again, I'm a fan of this trend. I enjoy this. This is nice. I like this. As far as the things that I actually purchased, got me a backup of my taping concealer. Indeed. This concealer is fire. And it's so good to just be here so I can buy one. I've used this bad boy in many a video, so I'm not gonna waste the time of my dear viewers talking about how much I like it, because I do. A lot. Obviously, this is like a highlighting concealer. This is not what I use to cover up blemishes, just in case people were wondering. Oh, for color comparison though, since we have our hardcover, which is also a dark color now. Bois here, hardcover's here. So I actually like the color of the hardcover better, so. And I don't mind the color of the Espoir, so that's good. I also bought a powder. I don't know why. This is the Face Prime Silk Finish Powder from Espoir. I think I got it because literally in passing, I noticed that it looked kind of like orangey, not orangey, but like more of a yellow tone. So I wanted it. Upon opening it though, I came to realize that the powder is actually like a peach, but I still haven't tried it on my face yet, so it might be great. Oh, my sexy voice. Sound like Phoebe. Waiting for my pepper, my shema. Hey, yo, Gunther, get me a whiskey. If you don't watch Friends, that joke just made no sense. Okay. Last but not least, I did pop over to Etude House. Has these like play color palettes, and I must say I have really been enjoying them. I did end up giving them away just because I just had so much crap, as you've seen. And this is probably a horrible idea because I am trying to move eventually. Oh, update for that. This is completely off topic. At one point, I think I was on live stream and I told people, I was like, I found an apartment. It's perfect. It's beautiful. It's great. Upon further inspection, someone got shot there within the last year. So back to the old drawing board. I have like 3 or 4 of these palettes and they're really good, but I ended up clearing them out. But they came out with like a rose one, which a lot of people were suspecting that's similar to the Huda Beauty rose colored palette. I have that at home, so I wanted to compare it when I get back. Upon first looking at it though, no, this is nothing like that. Actually, I think this is a much stronger color palette, which is weird, right? Because it's like it's a Korean beauty thing. Like just upon looking at it, those look a lot more impactful colors, but I'm excited. It looks pretty. I see like formatting wise how it's similar, but as far as like the actual colors, I wouldn't, upon just looking at it, this doesn't look like a dupe. Okay, last but not least, also from Etude House, I saw these things called Mirrorholic liquid eyeshadow thingies. The rest of the colors were kind of boring, but these two were very interesting to me, so I was like, ooh, I want to get those. Diamond Tier, BE103 Diamond Tier. The Korean name is Kulong Kulong Manger. Are those even words? It was just like a green, pink. See, it's showing so green and gold on camera. It's actually like pink, green, gold shift. And I thought this was really pretty, so I wanted to put this on my face at some point. And then this one, which is an eye gloss. Okay, yeah, it's just called Eye Glossy Coating, which is like just a clear pink that apparently is eye safe. Ooh, texture-wise, I think that would be good for the eye. I don't know why I collect eyeglosses as if I wear glossy eyes regularly. I just saw it and thought, yeah, I need that. Okay, so that's it. Outside of the 3CE purchases that I already made a video on, that's pretty much all I've been purchasing. And this shirt and a few other shirts. But I've been pretty good. I haven't shopped too much. There are a few more releases that I'm like having shipped to my house though. Misha came out with like these glitter lip tint things that I'm thoroughly fascinated by, so those are being shipped to my house, and yeah, it's gonna be fun. But yes, with that said, your girl still has a few more days. So again, if there's something you're like, ooh, Kendall, get that, I want you to try that because I want to know what the tea is, let me know. Yeah. So shout outs again to Shop Tagger for sponsoring this little bean here that spends too much money. Couldn't do it without you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all my social media, Instagram and Twitter, both of which are KennieJD, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Don't call me cash only.